Are your charging cables always a tangled mess on the desk, and your power outlets never seem to be enough? The Diamond Charge 2401 240-watt charging station is designed to bring order back to your workspace. It packs an impressive 240 watts of total power into a compact body, allowing all of your devices to charge at the same time. This charging station uses advanced gallium nitride technology to deliver up to 240 watts of total output. One standout feature is the first USB Type-C port, which supports the latest power delivery 3.1 standard and can deliver up to 140 watts on a single port. That means it can charge a MacBook Pro 16 at full speed without any effort. Let us take a closer look at the port layout. The station offers 6 charging ports in total, including 4 USB Type-C ports that support power delivery and 2 USB-A ports that support QC 3.0. High-performance notebooks, tablets, smartphones, and even smaller devices like wireless earbuds can all find a place here. Another highlight is the 1.54-inch color LCD on the front of the device. It is not just for looks. The display shows the charging voltage, current, and power of each port in real time, so you always know exactly how your devices are charging. When a device finishes charging or enters standby, the screen automatically dims to save energy, creating a design that feels both intuitive and modern. The system is also very smart. It features dynamic power distribution that automatically detects connected devices and calculates the most suitable power allocation for each port. Even when several devices are connected at once, the charger ensures fast and safe charging without you needing to think about which port to use. It's important to note that when charging 2 devices with power delivery 3.1 through Diamond Charge 2401, only one device can reach the PD 3.1 wattage. Although the second device cannot achieve PD 3.1 speeds, the Diamond Charge 2401's intelligent wattage allocation capability ensures that the overall charging speed will still be relatively fast, even if the second device cannot truly utilize PD 3.1. For a high-power charger like this, safety is essential. Diamond Charge 2401 includes a complete set of protection systems, including over-temperature protection, over-voltage protection, over-current protection, and short-circuit protection. It also meets strict international safety certifications, so you can enjoy fast charging with complete confidence. With a powerful 240-watt output, 6 ports that support simultaneous fast charging, and an intuitive LCD monitoring display, the Diamond Charge 2401 stands out as a high-end charging solution that balances performance and design. It helps simplify your workspace and becomes a reliable power hub for any professional setup.